Apprentices, good morning. In this video, I'm going to record the instructions you need to complete the activities of the second week of the course. So please listen very carefully to all my words. Okay, first of all, apprentices, you will have to go to the following button. Okay, please click on Program Material. Okay, when you click here, okay, you are going to find this folder, training materials. Then you are going to click again here and you are going to find this folder. Okay, we are going to work in the week number 2 of the course, so you are going to check the material of the week number 2. Okay, so please click here in this folder, materials, week number 2, learning activity 1. Okay, you are going to click here and you are going to find two folders. Okay, the first one is titled "Could you hear me please?" and the second one is "What a Family, a fresh look at the Cortez." So first, please go to the first folder, could you hear me please? Okay, you are going to click here and we are going to wait.
Could you help me please?
Okay, so now what we are going to do here is to complete the exercises. Okay, now please read this part, this is very important, and now click here where you see next. You need to listen to all the instructions given here. Now please, what is the second part? Second part is to click on next and you are going to click in this part. This is the score. Please, as you see here, you will have to go through all these circles. First of all is the warm-up situation. So let's click here, next. In this part, you are going to listen to a dialogue. So please, read all this part, listen all this part, okay, because you are going to need all this vocabulary at the end of the exercise. Okay, after listening to the conversation, okay, you see that the second circle now appears, so you have to click here now. In this part, you will have to answer some questions. So you will have to drag the answers to the questions to the answers. Okay, drag the correct answer to the question, as you see here. We click here next. Now, for example, I think that this is the question for this answer, so we are going to do this. At the end, you will have to click in compare, and you are going to know if you have green, it means that the answer is correct. If you have red, it means that the answer is incorrect. So you will have to make the corrections immediately. So if these two are bad, so we have to change it. So if you need to change a question or an answer, you will have to do like this. So these two are bad. I'm going to correct them. So I do this. Okay, now compare again. If you see, the 3 questions are in green. So all these questions are correct. The same here in this part. When you complete all those questions, now the third circle appears here, the language structure. So you click here now.
How to be polite.
In this part is how to be polite in different environments, academic. The first one is the academic environment. What do you have to do here? You will have to listen very carefully to all the expressions, okay? Could I borrow your pen? Next, I like to congratulate, and you will have to do the same with all the expressions here. After that, you will have to complete a new exercise. Okay, so here you will have to drag the picture to each one of these blanks. Okay, of the boxes. The next activity is to listen and record your voice. So in this part, you are going to click in here, play. You have to play these words. So the first is could you help me? May I use your dictionary? Would you like coffee? Now, if you want to record your voice, you will have to click here in the microphone. Okay, you will have to click in permitir, and you will be able to record your voice if you want to listen to yourself. Okay, so you click here, you record, then you click again, and then you play your voice. Okay, after doing this, click here in next. You are going to do the same with all of these expressions. You need to listen very carefully to these expressions. If you want to record, you are free to do it. After listening to all these expressions, click here in next. The same here. The same in this part.
I would prefer it if.
If you want to continue, you have to listen to all these expressions, and after finishing this part, you are going to check this new circle that it appears. Okay, now click here in exercising.
Drag the correct.
Follow the instructions, and you are going to do the same that we did before. Okay, in this part you are going to find some other exercises. At the end you have to complete this part, and these two parts are the activities that you have to complete, but at this moment I only need you to complete the first 4 circles. Okay, the warm-up, the answer the questions, language structure, and exercising. When you finish this part, you will have to go back. Okay, you will have to go back to training materials. You enter here, you complete could you help me please. Now you are going to complete what a family. So please enter in this part.
What a family.
And you are going to do the same that we did before. Okay, read the instructions, read everything you find here. You are going to enter in the school. As you see, you are going to find the intro warm-up part as in the last exercising. So please complete this part. Then you are going to pass to this one, then this one, and the last one is the exercising. The last 2 parts are the activities you are going to do. Now, when you finish all the program material part, what you are going to do is this. Okay, I'm going to make a summary in this moment. Bueno, aprendices, como se dieron cuenta, la primera parte de esta semana número 2 es estudiar el material de la semana. ¿Qué tenemos que hacer? Pues, en resumidas cuentas, después de todo lo que les dije, es entrar aquí en el botón de Program Material, después al botón de Training Material, y esta es la carpeta que contiene todo el material de la semana 2. Ustedes al abrirlo se van a encontrar con 2 partes. Una carpeta llamada Could You Help Me Please, y la segunda es What a Family, a Fresh Look at the Core Test. ¿Qué tienen que hacer aquí? Completar todos los ejercicios y todo el material así como yo les mostré. Sin estas 2 partes no van a poder completar las actividades de la semana 2. Una vez terminemos todo el material, el cual cualquier ejercicio que encuentren ahí no me tienen que enviar nada. Recuerden, no me tienen que enviar esta parte. Estos son ejercicios para estudio. Lo que me tienen que enviar es lo que está en la parte de Activities. Entonces, a continuación les voy a hablar sobre lo que tienen que hacer y lo que tienen que enviar para esta semana, que es lo que voy a evaluar. Okay, apprentices. Now, for this second week, what you are going to do. Okay, first of all, you are going to enter in the bottom Activities. You are going to find the folder of the week number 1, previous activities, but you need to enter in this one, week number 2, learning activity 1. Okay, what we are going to do. Okay, please enter here, and you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 activities. Okay, The first one is this one that you see here. What do you say? This is the first evidence. What do you want? What do you have to do here? Please click here in this part and you are going to download the instructions. What are the instructions? Please read this part and complete all you see in these directions, okay? Please, before doing anything, please read the instructions, okay? After reading the instructions, you are going to send the answers, okay? Then you will have to complete this test. Could you hear me, please? You are going to click here. You are going to click here in continuar and you are going to answer some questions. After that, you are going to complete this. The second test is called What a Family. It's the same. You are going to click here in comenzar and you are going to complete some questions. And the last activity of this week is this one, the interactive activity at the university. I'm going to give you the instructions for this part. So you have to click here in the title and you will have to wait until the new window opens, okay? This is a very easy activity. So when the new window is opened, you have to read the instructions, then click in next. What do you have to do here? Okay, this is very easy. You click here in start and you have 4 places, okay? The character is going to enter here in this part, the first one. Okay, you see that this is a sign here. You have to click here and you are going to choose the correct answer. You have 3 answers, okay? Which one do you think is the best? So you have, if you think that answer B is the correct, you are going to choose that one, okay? Let's make this sample. B. So this is not the answer, okay? So you click here and close. Then you go here, and you go here, and you have to have 4 correct answers. At the end, okay, you are going to receive the results. Because this is an interactive activity, you don't have to send anything to me, okay? The answer is sent automatically. At the end, please, the window will be closed and you are going to back to the part where we were before. So, how many activities do you have for this second week? You have number 1, what do you say? Number 2, test, could you hear me please? Test, what a family. And the last one is the interactive activity at the university, okay? Only these 4 activities. Maybe in the schedule or maybe in the presentation you find 5 activities, but in this moment I only ask you 4 of them. I'm going to explain this one because maybe you need some more information. When you click in this part in the file attached, you are going to find the instructions, okay? So you have to do this part, okay? Envíe al instructor 2 archivos de esta evidencia a través de la plataforma, uno con el texto y otro con el audio. Entonces, ya saben, tienen que grabar, okay, su voz y tienen que enviarme el texto. ¿Dónde van a enviar esos 2 archivos? Ustedes entran aquí, okay? Okay, click here in the link, what do you say? And you are going to attach the files, 2 files, okay? One with the audio, with the sound, with the recording, and one with the test. This is mandatory, the 2 files, okay? So you click here in examinar mi equipo, okay, if you want to write something, and at the end you click here in enviar. So apprentices, please listen very carefully to my instructions, listen very carefully to this video, watch the video 1 or 2 times, study the material, and complete all the activities. Remember that if you have questions, you will have to write to my mail or leave your questions in the platform.